name?
I'm Levis Cat De Soto, and I'm a UI UX designer.
What are your main tasks and projects that you do?
I mostly handle all of the projects for the company, especially general checklist, Top Banana, Rocky Go, and such.
Okay, so we have prepared some questions for you. Bubunot ka dito, yung color blue. And then, yun yung question na ibalik ko.
Do you prefer giving a single large wow gift or several smaller thoughtful gifts? I prefer giving one big wow gift because I want it to be something na it wouldn't be something na they expect, but it's something na they would appreciate.
Gusto mo yung unexpected?
Yes.
For the other question, may twist tayo. Bubunot ka again. And yung number, ay yung color red. And then, kung ano yung bulot mo, that's activate. Gagawin mo siya while answering the last question.
Talk like you're in an animation scene.
Okay, so, yung next question natin is, Christmas is not Christmas without...
Christmas is not without Christmas without Noche Buena!
Okay, so, greet mo naman sila for Christmas.
I wish everyone a very, very happy Merry Christmas, and I hope for them to enjoy their day. That's